एवरीवन, मैं जोहरा सर्जिकल एंटरप्राइजेज से मैक्सलाइफ। आज हम आपके पास लेके आए हैं अपनी नई रेंज। सो इन कुछ चीज़ों से इनमें जाने से पहले मैं आपसे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा कि मैं कौन हूँ और मेरी कंपनी क्या करती है। हमारी कंपनी को 33 ईयर्स हो गए हैं और हम CSSG ऑटोक्लेव सेक्शन मशीन ड्रेसिंग टर्म्स में मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं। हमारे पास 33 ईयर का एक्सपीरियंस होने की वजह से हम अपने क्लाइंट्स को अच्छी क्वालिटी और ऑन टाइम मटेरियल और अपनी उस चीज़ को सर्व कर पाते हैं। और जैसे ही आज तक आप हमें सपोर्ट कर पाते हैं और सोशल मीडिया के माध्यम के द्वारा मैं आप लोगों को नई अपनी रेंज के बारे में इन्फॉर्मेट करना चाहता हूँ, एजुकेट करना चाहता हूँ कि आपका और हमारा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा हो पाए और हम और अच्छे से एंगेज कर पाएँ। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं हम और ऐसी ही रेगुलर वीडियोज़ लाते रहेंगे। उसके लिए थैंक यू।
Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to show you about our selling product, Radial Locking Autoclave. It's 16 by 24, it's triple chamber 304 grade and it comes with the data timer, temperature control and the lower of the control. It's a fully automatic machine. Today we will show you the specification and features of it. So let's begin the video. We are following the complete CDSO, ISO, CE and OSM. So from that we build this quality. So you can completely trust on this. We have the qualities, complete from 0 to 8, stainless steel, and we have put in the 1.5 sheets inside the autoclave, and also 6 mm ring. It's very heavy quality, long life, durable steel, and we have also put the European silicone plastic inside. So this is a pressure wheel, the safety valves, 2 safety holes. This is a solid wall for automatic curing for the cold steam and water. This is a pedal lifting handle. This is our heater box. You can easily open and check the sensors and heating coil from here. This is our water level. From here you can check the water level. This is our water outlet. Ensure that proper cleaning every week and month. From here you can pour the water and to refill. This is our water level. And this is our clean for the water. So that's why putting the water. Now we keep put the water from here. Checking the level of water. You see from here we have to fill the water till the half of the glass. We lock this key for the safety. And for the opening of the key, we have to put the pedal. For sterilization, we'll put our dressing terms inside it. Now we close the autoclave. So we show you how to lock the radial locking properly. We have to check this handle whether it's holding from here. And ensure that it's tight maximized. Also we check all the pedals whether all have been tightened properly. From to start the autoclave, we press this LCD. And for starting the autoclave, we have to press our start button for 2 to 3 seconds. Now your machine has been started. This is our current temperature, and this is we have set in 121 degrees, which is approved by the NABL norms. So if we have to increase the temperature, we'll press the set button. This is a timer. If we take example, we want our temperature to be set on 125 degrees, then we'll increase the temperature from here. Now you can see temperature is rising and it has been set to 125.1 degrees. It has been set, and this is the PSI. If you also want to increase the PSI, then you can increase it from here. Like this is 18 PSI has set. Like that. You can check 125.1 and 18 PSI. So from this you can control it. So we have set our machine to 125 degrees, where you can say here, and 218 PSI. So we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes so it gets sterilized. So we'll see you after that. So our chamber is empty now, all the steam has been released. Now we'll open the autoclave. Plate to this side. You can check it's maximum dry. Now we show you inside your plate. So this is our silicone basket. This is a temperature sensor, and this is a hole for extra water. Thanks for watching. This is our video, and we try to informate you this early. Wait for updates and support us. Thank you.